Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I'm here to tell you I found the best baby swing out there. This is the Your Roo swing from 4Moms, and it has so many amazing features that set it apart from all the rest of the baby swings out there. I love how easy it is to clip your child in and out of this baby swing. It's also very adjustable, so you can start using it as soon as they're born, and these little shoulder pads makes it even more comfortable for them. Speaking of comfort, you can even recline this back. There's an adjustable recliner, and it's so easy to clip them out. It doesn't hurt your finger at all to press that button. You also get this cute little mobile that the little balls pop right out. You can stick them right in the washer and dryer. They also have like a rattle, a crinkle, ball, and a mirror, so you can just take them out and let your little one play with them too if they want to. You can also unzip the entire thing and just throw that in the washer and dryer for easy cleanup. I love that you can use this with your smart home devices too. Alexa, turn on Your Roo and set motion to kangaroo. Just make sure that the Your Roo is plugged in, and it will work with your Alexa as long as you set up that skill. This is especially convenient if you have your hands full at the moment but want to make a change to the Your Roo swing settings, either the movement, the volume, or the white noise. Another feature that sets this apart from other swings is that it has an app that you can use to change the settings. You can set timers, change the motions, the intensities, the white noise, the volume, and you can find your Roo, which is when the swing mimics your actual movements in real life. You can also obviously change all these settings by hand as well. So if you're in the market for a top-notch baby swing that is going to go above and beyond all of your expectations, that's going to help your little one stay calm while you can get some things done around the house, definitely check out the Your Roo swing from 4Moms. Your only regret will be not getting it sooner, and that's my point of view.